Hello, Dean here. In this video, we will show you how to fix the api-ms missing error in Windows 11. We will guide you through the full process step by step to get your applications running smoothly again. Please like and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tech tutorials. First, the most reliable way to fix this missing file is by installing the Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable. Open your web browser, search for Visual C++ redistributable, and click on the official Microsoft search result. Scroll down to find the download link that matches your system type. Download the setup file, and simply install it on your Windows computer. If the error is specifically happening with a program like Adobe Acrobat, you should also try reinstalling that specific software. To do this, open your control panel, change the view category to large icons, and click on Programs and Features to find and uninstall the problematic application before installing a fresh version. If the error still appears, we can manually download and place the missing DLL file into your system. Open your browser and search for the missing DLL download. Then click on the first reliable result. Before downloading the file, check your system architecture by going to the Windows search bar, typing System Info, and hitting Enter to see if your system type is 64-bit or 32-bit. Download the version which shows error to your system. Then open your Downloads folder, right-click the file, and select Extract All. Once extracted, right-click the actual DLL file and select the copy. Next, we need to paste this file into the correct Windows system directory. Go to This PC, double-click on your Windows C drive, and open the main Windows folder. If you are on a 64-bit version of Windows, locate and open the System32 folder. But if you are on a 32-bit system, navigate to the syswow64 folder. Right-click inside the folder and select Paste to drop the DLL file in. Once you have pasted it securely, click your Start button and restart your computer to apply the changes and fix the error for good. If this video helped you solve the problem, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others facing the same issue. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.